So I think you can see behind me the Capitol building. We're in the capital of California, Sacramento. It's really pretty down here right now. Debbie had some family stuff she needed to take care of. It's a 10-hour drive from Portland down here, and so she asked me to come along and keep her company for the 10-hour drive, and of course I said yeah. And she's off now doing her family business that she needs to take care of, and I'm just going to walk around the neighborhood where we're staying. We're about a block from here, so you can see we're really close to the Capitol. Going to go up there and see if I can get into Sutter's Fort, and then maybe do something else a little later in the afternoon and early evening. So glad you're here. Thanks a lot for being here. So we're staying at a pretty good neighborhood. We're staying in a really good neighborhood. The place we're staying is the Inn off Capitol Park, I believe is the name of it. And as you're going to see here, I'm going to walk around and you can see just how photogenic and pretty the neighborhood is as we go along here. There's a lot of art down here. You can see that mural over there. And then right there is the creperie. Had breakfast there this morning, and we're headed on up the street. And that's how you dress up a parking garage. The walk around the neighborhood here is really great. It's gorgeous this time of year. It's sunny and we still have fall foliage, and it's after Thanksgiving. Guess that's one of the advantages of living in California. One of the things that's really cool, in my opinion, down here in California is the missions. This is not one of the old missions, but it's still really pretty. I would go in, but I'm running out of light and I still have a lot of places to see. So the next thing we're going to do is the historic Sutter's Fort, and we're here now, and let's see what it looks like. This is called the Immigrant Room. Very interesting materials in here. This is known as the jail. I'm assuming it's up there. Maybe not. So it's just a big empty brick room. I'm assuming that's how it originally looked. This is the distillery. This is the gun platform. This is the trade store. Your local Safeway rather than 7-Eleven, because there wasn't anything else around. Obviously, this is a bedroom. The candle shop. Okay, 3 guesses what this is. And the first 2 don't count. Yep, this is the blacksmith shop. This is the staff area. Well, the question is, I guess it's not soldiers, it's staff, but looks like a lot of guns. Nope, that was the gunsmith. This is a regular quarters of a regular guy. This is the vaquero's room. This is where the carpenters work. It's their shop. This obviously is the kitchen. The parlor. This was Sutter's office, his own personal area. Dining room, obviously. This, I think, is the clerk's office. According to the map, this is the bakery store. And this is the bakery. This is the weaving room. As you can see, everything looms in here. And there you have it, Sutter's Fort. And really happy you stuck around this long. Appreciate it. And we'll see you next week.